In this question, we are given that a sequence of numbers a1, a2, a3 and so on is defined as follows, where the value of a1 is 3, a2 is 5 and every term in the sequence after a2 is the product of all the terms in the sequence preceding it. That means the value of a3 will be equal to a1 times a2, value of a4 will be a1 times a2 times a3, value of a5 will be equal to a1 times a2 times a3 times a5 and so on. We are given that an is equal to t and the value of n is greater than t. We have to find out the value of an plus 2 in terms of t. Now let's move on to step 2 and understand the methodology. Let's compute the values of a3, a4 and a5 first. So a3 will be equal to a1 times a2, which is 3 times 5, which equals 15. Similarly, a4 will be the product of a1, a2, a3, which equals 3 times 5 times 15, which equals 15 squared. And a5 will be equal to a1, a2, a3, a4, which is equal to 3 times 5 times 15 times 15. This is equal to 15 to the power 4. Now, if you may have noticed, there is a pattern. Each preceding term is the square of the previous term. Using the same concept, we can find the value of an plus 2. Now, an is equal to t. Then, an plus 1 will be equal to the square of t. And therefore, an plus 2 will be the square of t square, which is equal to t to the power 4. Therefore, an plus 2 will be equal to t to the power 4, which is the option D.